Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we help you master your mobile devices with simple and effective tutorials. Today, I am going to show you how to print wirelessly from your Android phone so you can easily handle your documents on the go. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to make sure your printer is turned on and that the wireless feature is fully enabled so it can be discovered. For step 2, you need to connect your Android phone to the exact same Wi-Fi network that your printer is currently using. In step 3, go ahead and open the Google Docs app on your phone and then select the specific document that you want to print. Step 4 requires you to tap on the 3-dot menu icon, which you can find tucked away at the top right corner of your screen. Moving to step 5, you will need to tap on the option labeled Share and Export from the menu that just appeared. For step 6, simply choose Print from the list of available actions to bring up the system's dedicated printing interface. Step 7, you can select any additional options you might need, such as the specific number of copies or your preferred page size. Finally, for step 8, just tap the printer icon or go to All Printer to start printing your document immediately through your local network. This final action sends the data from your phone to the printer and completes the process of turning your digital file into a hard copy. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips and tricks.